disrespect is too much. I continue to tell you every time. You reach Facebook past me, but it disrespects you way. If you not see it, to some people where you for also supposed get respect from where you not go get from, you disrespect your elders. Lolo is your senior on social media. She introduced you to screen. Or you will a live video. Or you will a live video. You couldn't even respect her for one day. Till now, we are more. Umagbu nkoto. We are only be beka. You man ni vera or you man that less Facebook. Uje ni ando yari ogon we. Huh? We marry ogon no man you well at Facebook. We still less marry ogon one day. It still less insulted me. I think 2 videos like that. He might reply. But he had to bon la and do I any eh? But send your one in your senior. But where they move, you got no respect and you want Junior to be respecting you. He answered your own way because you lack respect. Where you go no maropa. Or maybe the Lord, you know, how can we am go to non what ye ma okay, okay. Mario Gone want to disrespect it today. Where you go ho I'm not you well at Facebook where Mario Gone, if you be a cover, you have where women respect.
On top of the noise, I go they do business. Boy. Eh? You and your Ilaje, eh? Now one day I'll take finish you now. If you the serve God of Ilaje and you make me very and you they lie. You the bad finger we feed you and your children. How you want it better for you?
Why are you feeding her?
You never ever super chat me one day. If you super chat, I don't see maybe the entire inside for 5 euro. But my own super chat, the old word they see and everybody say, now make you the fight for me because they give you money. And they give you money, they super chat you. And they give something to your children. As you can't reach where you go carry food, because not be my family give you, and not be me. Why you not come back and tell me, say, Mommy, now half back they give me. You not tell me, but that your sister or your brother, where they say, go carry the thing. If they tell you, say, the thing na this, na that, where then you are? Where then you are? Eh? You beg for them.
All these cries are the result of Vera injection to do. Wow. Wow, Vera, I'm here to accolade you. You did a very good job. You did a good job. I told you the last time to say, I will leave you alone until when you start doing the right thing, I will leave you. When you know what you are supposed to do, you are not a baby. When you start doing the right thing, I will leave you.
You beg for them. Okay, since when you they beat me, say I get what I do you. Why you not play this?
Oh, he beats you. Oh my God, this is a night of 1,000 laughs. Can you imagine? Horrible. Yeah, I finish the champagne now. I like bed. Yes, I love Babe. I'm a confession.
Audio. Why you not tell the word? Say, Mama Monica, or the short one, according to you, can't they talk? Do you know Vera? If I stand for where you did, so you go be for you. You are a very short person. I don't know why.
The truth of the matter is that Vera is short, I know, but you are also short. Anytime a Facebook now, my one wabu no short. When we short, no really a bad job is short. A Vera to boy man time video, but when Vera do so when she's refining every day, and give Vera 2 years and see how Vera is going to be better than you. You are the only person who don't learn on social media. Every other person learns. We type a video now, who mommy me we now way. You heard that? You confess it yourself. Every other one learns and grows. You are the only person who remains in the debt and you are still there.
Calling me, you don't see me on ground, my dear. I know you'll be your mate, but I don't know why, you know, they surprise me. Now your mate thought, Iku. I mean, I know Iku is social media. Iku working now.
The truth of the matter is that you are not better than Vera. The level of power with Vera, how dare you say you better than Vera? Are you not an illiterate? Yes, do you have common sense? Do you have common sense? Do you reason more than your nose? Do you have senses? You think somebody like me, we just throw words at one another. But this one is a promise. A promise, and a promise, man, he will be no Vera when I will come and do the analysis. This is what I'm doing. I also play Vera. And why I not go play you? Are you better than Vera? Two of you are just the same. The Vera Dova with the Weibo after how many years? She's even better than you right now. She can hold the platform 1,000 will stand. So tell me how you are better than Vera. Don't ever repeat that. Woman say Vera. I don't like that.
Eh? You say you get your own follower before you come they follow me. Eh? Where are your own followers now? Because the one where they sit there now, best your follower now they.
So you are watching the one you are seeing there. Means and evidence that when Vera is online, you'll be watching her straight and direct, and you say you don't watch her. You don't go there because you don't like her. Even at this saga, you are following Vera. You are a big follower of Vera. You are one of the followers. Where are your own followers? This one is an evidence that you are a follower of Vera. Because you say the one that they see there, they be SEO people. So how did you know all those things? Eh? Where you are here? You are watching Vera. You are following her. You... Oh, my people, now don't ever hear this beneath this thing where you say, you're following Vera. You are one of the followers that she have. By the time you follow a person, you watch them when they are doing video, you are just their follower. It doesn't mean whether you're a presenter, you are talking or whatever. You're a follower of somebody.
Where you're so. I don't see you. You don't get follower.
Are you not
when you the person, you're my own people, we still like that kind of fear. For me, not like I want them. Now few now like it. The one will be 24/7. I know like many people can bear me witness. You are say hell Samira me so. But I will jog Vera na. I will want festival dog. Yes. God will bear me witness. If nobody bear witness for me, God will bear me witness. I'll say the bully is too much.
Really?
A lot of people not they okay for this social media. If you talk their matter one time, rest.
Really?
Oh what Jesus, I won't get when we are to stop you.
Why not?
But don't home I was all bad again. But he might get when we now. He got to stop you. Why you are here? Cause women no.
Nayara. If I stop you, waiting you will come to the feed. Meaning, you wanted that to continue bullying people for you so that you can be playing your loyalty. You see how things come back to people. Everything, me have with that way the Facebook, they always have a way of coming back to you. Check me. Or man, if I can one more on the Facebook, although you belittle me in many of your videos, which it doesn't really concern me, I don't care. But by now, you're supposed to know the kind of person I am. I told you during Ibila Wow, when I was and it happened. The time I was with Frank, you know, with Frank, I have to go for Facebook. I say, I went to go for it happened. Okay, Verana is the third one. And the next one I am promising you is between you and Orostra. Take it or leave it.
Make up a shock. What view your face in no Uriye Popo ya unune uwag monje. Ewa no we go tenata now. Ero pero no ama be avaria na ma we varia we wa ye be riagmo. Because if you bought the point ye gbewe ne. Uye gbewe ki mu dan ne. O ma no gbe me yesi me. Ewe gbe mi yo bi am yo ko no rie lawa.
Why ga we se ni yamba? Abari mu na juwobo. Matie, you said you didn't call her. These are your words. But Ogbuwe you say. What Ogbuwe you say? Did you call her to come and do gift for you? Did you call her to come and fight for you? But Ogbuwe you say, but Matie, you didn't call her, but Ogbuwe you say. Why all these lies? And you want to tag other people as liars when they are doing saga? When they will be talking the main reality? Eh? And these are the things you like. You want people to be fighting for you. You buy their loyalty everywhere. Emmanuel bully, ulu Vera, ulu onona, ulu enopa, ulu enopa, ulu fake account in Oriye 20. Eh? Ulu love fake account in Oriye ya gwe hands down mweya. Eh? How we miropa? It doesn't your one way upon why I judge it 2 way kundo siknya we. People don't even care about those. They come out beautiful and nice the next day. Yeah? And you are the person receiving all those problems. I call repentance for you. I hope you repent one day. And you know what people are dragging you for.
Bunny will not go wrong. Me, you carry me for social media where everybody they see our own character, I not do you anything. You just say they'll fit trust you again. Your own sister say you no go ever enter a house. Now I can see the reason why. You go say that they jealousy. You want jealousy you for Ebute where you be Ebute. Who want jealousy you? Say your sister that they travel.
The truth of the matter is that Ebute where they here, Mama Severa. Mama Severa. There are many things you need to work on. I'll finish a vision and I will tell you. When I stop at where I want to stop. They need to work on in life. I'm telling you the truth.
No, they travel, you know they come up inside that your house. Nobody they see you. If you they want to go draw children for school, you dress with pyjama. Who want jealousy? Who want jealousy?
And you know all those things. She was a humble follower of yours. Fighting the whole world for you. You couldn't tell her one day. Matter mine one day. You don't tell them the truth to bring them to your level. This is one problem that you have. You leave them in the dirt. And you know it by yourself that according to you, when we are up to your standard, you are using them to do dirty jobs. You don't tell them the truth to say, wait, Vera, this is how you are supposed to dress and go to live video to insult Kokobere wife. If you want to go and face Kokobere wife, dress like this. If you want to go and face Lolo, dress like this. If you want to go and insult Eddie Murphy, dress like this. If you want to go and insult Yore, dress like this. And you are confirming it in this video to say, so why were you using her? So you owe Vera big apology. You owe her apology. And this is the same thing Ivere you complain of. And you say why Ivere they talk nonsense. She was crying for more than 2 months when you used her. Why are you using them? If you're Facebook, I hope you people are listening. Why are you everywhere? Go and be collecting food. Why me there? Why me na isa yaha? Isa. Person will do isa for you. When a person do donations sometimes and give away food especially, be careful. Don't be a victim of what you don't know.
Jesus, I'd rather be Obiakpo and be a fine babe and be totally with Opodu masquerade.
There's no beauty in shortness. The truth of the matter is that there's reason in shortness. If you so you have a reason saying, you know, but your own shortness, I don't see how it's different from Vera or your own senses. You know, Vera. I don't like it when you say you are better than Vera. You and Vera are just the same thing. The thing is just that Vera is still under refination. Or you refine. Mana you we continue refining. You will be better than your yesterday. But you never tell her the truth one day. You always lied. Evera Diodunga. You never told her one day and you are not saying it now. So how do you call yourself Omanotemata? What truth are you saying? People who fight day and night to bring you out of mess. You never tell them the truth. Even when other people are saying it, you always say they are lying. I said this thing with Vera. Why have to go make one with no say you? But now you are not saying it. To say no, what's your Yamasoe? You even said it with Kokobiri Mama Masoe. Or we video now you hire we Masse Vera. Or fish or my go at Masse where you know we Masse.
Jesus Christ, it's good for a woman to have lip. That woman.
Vera Maso way. Because the last time I saw Vera teeth when she will be talking, you will see the beauty in the set of teeth. There's no gallop, there's no fix, there's nothing. You see, there's difference between your teeth and Vera teeth. That's the truth. Vera, am I way body work yakun? When imagine na way body work yakun mene, ona do set. Or we are way body work your better my set. You are the only person I see that you will soon visit a dentist anytime from now. And if you don't visit a dentist anytime from now, in the next 5 years, your teeth are going to be we are beshin ya company. Maybe how way. I'm waiting for you to wear shame. Then I'll come back here and sit down. Which I know that you will definitely do. You will wear my shame. You will wear my shame. Umana gbe shame akon when ye ya anyaga because one anyaga ne. So a Vera ene gbo putiti ni wakon. So how dare you say you are better than Vera? The only difference between you and Vera is Wivon. You make more money on Facebook more than her. You are able to buy.
Girl.
You are able to buy Wivon and put on your head.
I don't understand that kind of your man. But your sister, I be not be the same papa born. Your sister get lips. Oh, who?
Your sister get lips. You are not more beautiful than Vera, and you are not sexy. You are not sexy. You are not romantic when you are talking. You are not sexy. You are not romantic. There is no romantic in you. So how do you say Vera is even more flexible somehow than you? Don't ever you say you are better than Vera. Don't say you are better than Vera. If you are better than Vera, you will not go low. You went too low. Really, I look for trouble too much.
Kiss. Aya Pokemon. Me me no ga ota we na ri angele ta wa no tinyere nwe fa. E flat nya shiro ma here we if da we flat nya na tebo me. Umaye
na yera. E flat nyash we ma here we wo. But look at the flat nyash ye porono we dene na. The whole world have told you something about your life. You are the only person in the civilization in life. You are the only person who does not grow bodily. You are the only person who never became beautiful. Rather, when you smile, you look evil. There is evil in your smile. Mother romantic. A smile in my way is not the same thing. A smile in my way. It's not the same thing. You are the only person no matter sexy or wagwan. You are the only person no matter romantic. I don't see any romantic in you when you are talking. You look so... Look at Flat Nyash Vedene now. How arranged and organized I am. And people have been crying over your tummy for the past I don't know how long. Nema FKVA, Ekowena Bagby. The email, no. A market time for 1 week. I've done something about myself. And I look more beautiful. I look beautiful. But look at you, Neboke Tamawe. You are the only person who don't update. The kind of person who you don't take correction. That's where your life is in shambles. Uriye correction. The people you are supposed to be taking correction from, you believe that you are better than them. That is one problem that you have. Look at me. I worry. I understand them with picture when it's safe. Then I call you. Then I call you to call. Deja. You know the CDO scenario. I'll call you tomorrow. It's safe for our way. Let's see who is the teacher. Oh, how better than me you are. All right. Stop saying rubbish. You can never be better than Vera. It's impossible. A level of power with Vera. Even Vera is better than you now. I want to imagine if Vera is just coming to Europe. How many years now you are still having the same level of mentality with Vera? Anybody no ye Vera no idare we bo make me amubo. E want atama we na. O hona gbemi la yo nuru ohian. No win tete. I don't go close. Never. I have brain, I have sense to know that. Idare adoma ye wona sioma le loto do ya menlin. But you never have that senses. You never have that brain. You could do reason more than your nose to know that no. You fall victim every given time. And you want to say you are better than Vera? I don't like that. I really get annoyed over this video to say never. I never expected you to come and be fighting Vera now. Wale Vera Bawe Saga. Like, get some shame. I mean, if we're 20 and I'm
do not rest. Jesus. Me when you say you the fight for, I come outside. I motivate the woman, may go buy nyash.
Nayara. You say me when you say you the fight for. She come and she motivates me. Me can go buy nyash. Say what happened to your tummy? What happened to your tummy? Did it shock you? It was betting way low we bona. Me my boy one day. See now I won't use a waist bet one day. It was better. This is my tummy. My last born is just 5 years old.
Nothing they happen.
You are claiming glory over my beautiful life. You cannot claim the glory over Vera. And Vera is your product. While learning your resemblance here, and you want to use yourself to come and be robbing my life. You want to attach yourself to a beautiful thing. Are you mad? You want to attach yourself to a beautiful creation like me. Are you for real? Vera is a carbon copy of you, a beauty in character. Who deny who motivate me in a set in a amose. But you know that when or visual is sagging when or rostra, you claim every day what when or mudia wage call you webo. You cannot motivate your own blood to be better than you. You want to motivate me that don't even give a shit about you. The only time I say I will sit down on Facebook and listen is when your product is not beating you. E vera agbuene e yana do dami yowe. E vera agbuene hana dami yowe, which is true. Yeah. Yeah, women no my better. What am I going to be on a better my people? E vera gbe e mo ya e vera to much way on the weary. I like to play that place again, very funny. Don't wish way on the weary. I must just say oh, yeah, Facebook. I must say la bousse. Oh, come. Oh, say no. Oh, what I say vera out of your way are motivating me. I don't watch you, I may your follower. It's time now when we look build that like buene. I cannot let don't watch. I will just watch the fight and I will be the referee. Before I tell Vera to leave you alone, before I know I will tell them to leave you. Do bet. More time yani azewo boy and kezewo boy. Until I do that, azewo boy. All of them. Say who is the real boss lady? Miami no Jaku. When I'm in Wayaku now and the return, you might go down and maybe. This is Facebook. This is game. You are always too proud and loud. You want to claim what you are not. Don't try it. I claim me nuki. Not be today nyash day back. Madova me the webo. Oh, Madova with the webo. Who went over me the webo na? Unisano tuororo. Thank you so much. Oh yeah nyash. Evera bishe. You just saw me. I don't know we are very tight. Eh? Go sit down away. If lap nyash we are motivated. Go back nyash. He can't find. You want to take glory where it does not belong. Where the leg where you there? Eh? Look at your tummy. Just look at it, both of you put together. How you look? You don't look good. You don't look healthy. In our place where I come from, it's nonsense. What's nonsense? Am your babe? I have beer. Go to convenience. I allow. But for me, I got there. You allow me instantly. Are you for real? You want to claim glory where it does not belong? Vera is busy dwellizing you over that side. It's busy disguaguaring you and disconnecting your faculty. Instead of you to accept what she is doing to you, you are coming to say, go look at that one. Who were me there? Face the fight on ground. I don't like rubbish. I'm not your mate. You are where that's the truth of the matter. You like, you take it or you don't take it. I'm not your mate. You are where you let it. You are where? Eh? I just pipe low. And I was watching this, the way you people are doing your saga, and you begin to be bringing me into your saga to fight. Are you stupid? Motivated flat nyach, ou m'oblige rien. Oblige we kowe na ge, akwe de dekbe webo. Ou ma ti motivate oblige we ne kwe ya zeye. Ou ma motivate oblige we no ya vie more, e mo gwi me wowa. Ou ma motivate oblige we no na bega dadmon, na we gadmon. No, wish we're going more at the table the way I do it. You want to claim glory over my beautiful life? Do you know the people I sit down to listen to when they talk and do motivation? You think I listen to a market woman like you who belongs to nowhere? You'll be fooling yourself in most of your videos. Are you mad? I don't like nonsense. Everybody try. You sit down and be saying, "Yaga motivate." No, I are taking the insult that you created. Do you know what it means for a person to sit down and build a person for 1 year? You built Vera. Your husband and you, all of you was busy enjoying her when she was doing all those nonsense, and you want to come and be fiango your man where yagoni. You are taking glory where your glory where what you can't even do for yourself, you want to do it for me. Ye boire no je, matin so menzabo, mamo se me be face, magbase me anywhere. Eh? And when we you are no more intelligent than me. You don't have the document. I don't have, like, you don't have the document I don't have. I have driving license. I drive around many years in Europe. Where me ropa? Are you stupid? I don't like rubbish. Yage flat nya she demotivate. Nah. She go bad nya she go weird. Who well I move money simen when I nya she mejoa. Oh, we spend me ma. This one can grow in 2 days. Eh? Oh, we spend me ma. This one can grow in 2 days. Or grow. We are going to grow that amoda conven no pump. On a pump on the sana here no what. Only way the soja. You want to take glory over my nyash. On the sama back well.
Be able to say, who want to see you? See your sister that they travel. You know they travel. You know they come up inside that your house. Nobody they see you. If you they want to go draw children for school, you dress with pyjama. Who want jealousy? Who want jealousy?
Women just my dear, just show a better you just be a can here, better than a long time. When I better be just be a can again. I wear even just I'm me with just I mean way and I yak mulutory for women just where not a gesture. Can you handle a gesture? It's just on a very long way on your gesture because you ain't lying one or somewhere where the street. Vera talked to me for 1 year and 6 months. Mana e diri o dunga on Facebook. Or when you wanna wait here and we galava de Lagos. I never even see as if I see her. O ma Africa me yete. O ma ye mi rock by your megbere. You can almost say your way na do monetize Facebook we na so a bigore. All time me do me amigo with. And yes so agbu we na kito amigo with Facebook na. You know ba no ya teme me ma me 1 cent with Facebook. Wo gbere ani go no ware ye ne no filone. Because I'm very zingo ye Facebook get tag moya ye me go. Anybody no more me like platform work you to no berry. E frank you so agbu any monetization agbe na you go on akbo. E ma ya na ati e go tag mo na we do vigo. E bank account e na ga increase. We ya na ria zingo ya na ria duro right from time. Itama we na when time we ya ye we me ya iwo we ye fuwa. Iri we gi man ni diwe. E na ya gbu wo. These are your products. These are the people who need you. Amen. Mana dig back benwe. That's the truth of the matter.
Jesus, I'd rather be a be a fine babe and be totally with Opodu masquerade. Only have one way masquerade mamoya ogun again. Jesus Christ, you were very it's good for a woman to have lip. That woman, your girl. I don't understand that kind of your mom. But your sister, I did not be the same papa born.
You too they seek attention. Vera fine passive. Do you know that? Vera is more beautiful than you. You might not accept it, but she is more beautiful and cute than you. The Vera cute is a way by far. Lashes not with one you does not mean that you are cuter than Vera. If you want to know a woman that is cute, go natural. Go natural. Forget makeup. When you go natural, I dare you to go natural with Vera. Then you come and say you are beautiful. Go natural with Vera. I have beauty competition here in the well now.
Your sister get lips. Oh, who ega sokekia, ega kiss, aya Pokemon. Me no get ota we na ri angele ta wano tinyere nwe fa.
Awu we dey tati nyere nu na sa unu we asalokwa na we ga mo hu cuz nyere we yare very manager we are working. This one is extra. We make Facebook a mini job. Extra no anyone na me wa very yet because it's extra, but your own is a full time. You are just like Vera. Vera is not working, she's at home. And you don't work, you are at home. The only place you get your money for is Facebook. Vera is just on Facebook. I'm also getting her money from Facebook now. She's not talking about you and a lot of money are coming. So what is it? How dare you say you're better than Vera? Mama said Vera.
If flat nyashi Roma here, well, if Mundawe flat nyashi na tell me.
Lies. Vera. Me matia bonu we my work batia bonigbe. I just prophesied for you to told you to say me no sunu that way in the nearest future. Me no sunu that way. E prophesied me. E matia bonu because he ga win it here bonu. Uwe mweni megi vera na ya mujo obo. When Vera wa Vera element where yamu Vera bo. Vera talked about me for I don't know how long. In a chest Vera mo the real boss lady. The chest we no talo se. Or is it a lot the platform men ask me to not be moyana so not aware what I with them no gainable. In a hey material if you talk agree. Injection for 1 day makes you to run to the street. 1 day injection. When my even where you couldn't just swallow the pee that you give to people. A pin will pay homage. Somebody like me now want pay homage for your matter for Vera to say Vera, don't worry, I'll buy food for you. I'll do it. Those things are natural. I don't buy my food for stuff like that. Yeah, as you go my hard-earned money. My hard-earned money. I there with him. I there who I there meaning like I'll be wearing it and suburb. Yeah, Vera. Those things will just come natural. What you sow is what you reap. Don't pay for all those things. They come natural. They always come natural to me. I don't pay for them. Were you not paying food? Were you not giving her money? You was paying for it. It's a job well done.
Do not rest. Jesus, me when you say you decide for I come outside, I motivate the woman, may go buy nash. Say nothing they happen. Go buy nash, where?
Over Sabiawa Alogo, because you wanted to be a part of my glory. The reason why you still have problems on Facebook today is over Sabiwa is too much and you run faster than your shadow. That's why you don't have respect. That's why nobody don't respect you. Eh? That's why everybody see you as a mad person that you need medications to swallow and be coming back to your senses. You know, or that from where women depression. Video women depression. I motivate the woman. Can you motivate me? I do motivational topics. I do topics. If you are a good motivator, where is the example from your family? I want you to show me somebody that you have refined from your group. If you can really motivate people that listen to you on a daily basis, even when you are dying and waking up, they will be there listening to you. They will be fighting. How have you motivated them? You don't buy a Facebook on a page, no case sene. A monetization para a Facebook. It doesn't belong anywhere on YouTube. And make it 1 cent on Facebook. Do you know how much I make on Facebook every day? People come back to listen to my video. My videos, people normally come back when I close and finish, they just come back. Or to any company go lala about Facebook or what a company on our young man you me at least me very poor me video. So where is your motivation going? These are the people that your motivation are supposed to show lights in their life. Eh? At least let your work be showing in their life. You still remain the same. There's no changes in you. The only changes you is fake life. You try to fake everything. You try to make everything look real. Even when people will be saying it. That's the only difference that's the only changes in you. You change into fake completely. When in party there's no one you attended. You couldn't afford anyone. Not even 20 euro ticket to might afford it just for one party. For 1 day. Or to afford it for your husband. You couldn't. Mezoja begbe, he attend pas, he datebu. In a total, not a day, my maybe a sophisticated drink, my water for me now, my man like hotel, what did you do? Nothing. From January to December, a room on Jenny Uji, Ula Diava. Then you come out and say you motivate me. A party never for no rule, what the result of a party no major that you never contributed 1 cent. You should be ashamed of yourself. Can't be talking to correct people because me, the way I look at you, I see you as a nonsense. I want to analyze this nonsense. That's how I see you. You better well in a nonsense. I don't even know, man. Better where somebody did. They not run with Vera. If not Harakoa with Vera, the Haraquabonia. If not Harakoa away, you know, tell me. Oh, the Haraquabonia. Eh? She motivated orgasm, Abby. She's taking glory over my life. I motivated her. Where are your people? Where are the people who are fighting for you? Point one. People fought for you from January to December. You cannot point something right in their life to say, this is the person I motivated. Look at their life, how it changed. Nothing to write home about. And you want to have a way. A way flat match. A way flat match we are eating. A flat match match you way. I don't want to give you that recognition to say you want anything. People who are not recognizing you, they are there. All your elements. Look at them. Opare Hollande not tie you piano roll. Oze gaga agame walking avec bona de ladien. Hein? Oze ou we na la ladien we ya hin ga goma ba we na amweso emission na so asukun. Yen ti gawe for life ma mi rock babo. Hein? O ya de ba ni ati e ni age vera we no ya wo regbe si we ladien ni yan gbo e cause le no na gbo e omi mo no dami ho e. Hein? This time around of him we merita. I mean no dami ho o ga mo se we. I mean no dami ho e yo ye no to no gberi. Ye asala bua me. Ah, my mama be ki gbiyan ya amwe when yes one meki. Yes one mi ho. Waka ke no kpu hunsu we social media yo ma be. Waka ke no ya kpu hunsu. E ma ni wa lega we na ya na hia gboeru we. I'm telling you the truth. Take it or leave it. Na hia gboeru.
When I want my sister only know we social media I bo agbo because e bo no corner ni ma vio no e. O gbo egbe Elijah cannot save you when you do bad thing like this. You say you come social media, can't do waiting. Oh man, see you at with 5 children.
What see you at be? And what my just showing tona? I want to play on if you're just in very another. What see you here at be or see an aya we go now? Because see where Banuma you let Mamma and go or be not here. So learn lessons and stop taking glory for where you did not belong. Oh, mamma mi o pa no my flat nyashi. They take glory there for work no cash shine with be man relation. I take very lay na when yet you ya man be kwa. Yeah. Thank you. Eh? Vera is running away to say no, I don't want to carry load that does not belong to me. She's running away now because there is no light in your life. Eh? She's not saying what she's looking for. At the end of the day, she was looking for something. She wants her to be noticed. How dare you be saying, Nami do flat? Nine, you didn't do anything. My husband's pen did it. They spend all that on my way. I'm having way. So don't believe, say, go buy nyash. You know, they carry with it, your body, they put for other people's body. That's why you have problems. And this is exactly where you have problems with your friend. I don't trust in you came out and talked for 2 weeks or 3 weeks before that one come answer you. And today you can't take it anymore. You are crying.
You don't carry your pain. Enter people's life. Everybody they feel show their clean, classic European children. You can't show Europe, oh, Africa where they and yet they were hungry, is hungry me. Oh, no, them were like no way to be me job vera. And then now if make your sister bring you to me, say those children want die of hunger.
But you know that one, the time where other people they talk on, didn't you cite it to say it's a lie? You say it's a lie. The time other people were saying, Vera, take care of your children, you say it's a lie. Say now they're born an African children, they're not supposed to come to Europe. Why are you not saying what you said is a lie? Have you when I play video where you have I don't get your time, nonsense video now you there for the once or twice. I finish it and I finish it tomorrow. I finish it, I throw it away. This a video why I have the street not by me again now. After that one, I just watch the match between you and Vera. Finish.
Give the food. What it can be the problem?
Then again, I told time matter where. Then the master to tie from January to December. I walk out.
When I said bring your sister come on, almost 200,000. Now my platform raise, go give that your husband. Message you there. The one where you get for Europe, we don't see him. The one where you get for Africa, oh, can we good?
Because a soul down here, because a soul down here, in the sense that you are using other, you are buying loyalty for somebody to be bullying other people. You will always do a soul down. A soul down here, then the manager bully or anything we can manage a better level there. You can. French people say déshabiller. You know what I mean? Déshabiller. Do anything you feel like doing in this life. Egbe ma veni manage. Ma chest bully the social media now. We chest it as if nothing happened.
Now we concern for your body. What belly man? Egbe wa woman. Belly man. La go. Even the two friends. If they still put that my getting friend, you two of you now just say, ah, Baba God, leave that one. At least
Akmangere friend, Lolo is more polished than you. This is one truth you don't want to accept, and you will accept it when the time comes. Lolo polish is a work man. Don't go there. Don't go there. She's more refined. She's more organized. She's more beautiful. She's cuter. She's more sensible. Or think direct and straight more than you. You don't think straight. You take glory from where you doesn't belong. A lot of my legend of Bano Highway, I'm the one who made it. Ezekiel, please call my other line. Call my other line. Call my other line on Facebook. Don't call that one. After you come out on screen, I'll be taking glory over me. What do you want my fans to take? You want to make them angry? You want to make my fans angry? Are you provoking them? Why are you provoking my fans? To say that so you run common for your product. Are you not seeing your product around Facebook? Those are your product. You are the mother of all the debt on social media. Don't you ever in your life, because you see me that I'm polished and refined, you want to come and say, na me make who are you? Well, make it be weful ne. Ya no be otun. Oye be na higabai.
That one okay, they say just the makeup. And the dege make Evera use no we be make up igwe. We make up se. E we vun se. We do judge on me. Be wa we me dali okpe ni away for 20-something years. I know your mate, and I've always had my boyfriend as my husband by my side.
Ezekiel, stop calling this line. Why are you behaving like this? Why are you calling this line? I'm using this line on Facebook. Don't call it. Please call the line. Don't call this line.
By my side. I not be your mate now. Where me and you want start from? It don't do now. I don't see well. They know the person don't very report me to government. If me want converse now, person do me something. I want do what the person do me. I will put on for number. They ask you the.
So any comment you need to wear. Any comment you need that way. Any report it with one. You never say what that way. Sometimes, let me tell you another thing. A fight that you cannot finish is not a fight you start easily in life. A fight in Usune, because you cannot. You always a good starter with what he will go swinging ya, but what to finish only a problem. Who are so what pass away ya? Eh? The time you sit down for 2 weeks and be calling a person different name and doctors, this one bully over here, my God, boy. It's now you are not saying about we gang up by hero if man we say report to government. Why don't report to government Evera government be not ready. If you government I mean me you see me mammy me way, you don't have me. You mammy me way. You why cause but so what is there? Who me on report to him? You will not report her to anybody. But we government in Germany and winner. What say man I report him Germany okay and winner only the extra money you see on our Facebook. Government is still taking care of her. When your parent no way, face her. Don't be carrying your fight to say, you know, see like I can't refine her. I can't do this one. Why can't you refine your sister? Let the evidence of your refination appear in your sister's life. Then you will come out and be proud to say, you see what I did to my sister? Her children came back. They are now eating the same table. Lovely family. This is my handwork. This is what you are supposed to be celebrating. This is what we call success. Not everybody, and they around you, there's nothing to run them about. The next time they'll be leaving you, they'll be going with gate and miserable stories around you. Eh? Yeah, here they carry your gate. They carry your gate. All right. They carry your gate. Miserable stories. What
do you for our body now?
Well, between 2024.
Eh? It's on la wo. We're going where a moja and the dion.
Donc, bon, je quoi. Wazito abo. Zito abo. Cause I get a very na ga we na hia ga me. Itu anta man we. Emi no na we backfire to you. We ba what it one. E ga no na aloe vera ya we mi no ma keke o ma it one exist with Spain. E ba we ado beg. You want to start begging to another gotin egwan. What gotin egwan? E vera. Be. You give about that. I say I use zanzan kwa. Zanzan kwa. This is what I said. Hello.
Hello, my lady.
Yeje gbewo.
She no get why I was say she my disgrace get over to a you know. You go look at social media na ya fe.
No wa wo me. O te wa do do me mo. Every time do afia wo yo me we. Eri ye motivate me. Eri ye wo no na. E ma be we odiji.
I greet everybody, my lovely people. Now God will bless everybody. My lady. Igwe shema disgrace. Eri ya fepe no koko. No we no take wa ogwe ogima osanubana show ehu ni.
You say o.
Ona wa show ehu ni we wa ge fake life. Eru ni mana no gwe owa no nwe mi ma gbe. Eme boya go oge.
For where?
Avore atu arena.
For where?
The name lo eni ya ge we the name lo eni. You understand it now?
Eh, do one level. We ya ge flat nyashi. O come when me polish say na o come la wa o. E sta no we je me ya we mi no ma ye gbeta. E mi no ma ye gbeta.
Iye gbe wa we Monica here.
Wa he be guge o.
Iye gbe wa we
Monica.
I am so happy. Do you know because of your real nails? Then we have this straightforward real. But Monica is fake. Fake.
Eri yen do. What say you man I one day where yen dollar na jeri yen. Oh, he me ni return on waro. The beauty over my life is just too much for her to handle.
Oh, jealousy.
Take back for bugbe.
I'm not anywhere yo. Jealousy.
If we no wa mu yen, eri yen dollar life image. Where dollar who waji ne we me ne gbu we fu.
You pass her with so many gap. So she has to drag you.
Me ye wa drag you. Oh ye gbe o don. O ya le no ye yo. Ma mu hu da saga, mu hu da rita. Ye na dollar that money ji. Where na dollar wa ji ye. O gbe ba dollar wo wi ju we.
Vera, ite amo Vera, he mo way.
Well, am I said no ya tell me forgiveness, but I we worry make even more way.
We ought to need Vera wa ya ki oni sa wa ni low. If Vera na wa keep a audio since last year. Because they audio ni raw. Okay, Vera.
And the boy video na tie ga analyze e butana o. Me ga analyze video e butana because I mean no love na totally wa we yare flag nation ye na doleji. You was what? Are you my sister? We wo fia we wa do wu he.
We dey say ni Vera.
Eh.
We me dam yo.
E bege.
We na dey say ni Vera. E Vera ye na we ni happy Vera say. Vera gele gam yo kan o.
Gam yo kan gbe. O gam yo kan gbe bije ne.
Half bag of rice.
O jama so mi. O
jama do. Away full bag of rice.
O jama so mi.
And then he said ye Vera maberiyo. So I was say ye Vera maberiyo. Monica, why are you so fake?
O jama so mi. O jadodo.
Monica, ni wa me bege. E wa ni me ye bege la osabo akiwa o.
You say.
No wa me na bege fake in ore o igboku ni wi ne wiyin. Awe ne Vera sister ese o ga me Vera ga gbe na na.
O jama so mi. E you ma ga vuri.
Because e mi ti
O
me.
jadodo.
E mi ti me. My sister.
O jama se le lo je.
Instead of it tagwin ye we dene e fake we an audio rice.
Ne hero bije me.
Audio rice e we ma le mo Monica na de gbe do latia. E Vera Monica ya de face we
na. O jama so mi.
La omo kiku we se mu we na.
O ma je. Ya po di oni fo ene here. O wa shock mi. Yeah.
Iwe ni wabit, nige shema disgrace lagi back bene.
Ne here waso gbe me vera na wi bi ka mi re lo e vera lo lo awolo lo
yeki. Vera wa ye continue agbe won egbe no ya ga na. Vera ga nili ma ya hon mama e vera de.
Ama ente me ke no ke la dian do wi wa ge go mani ya wi ati e vera me Facebook me bi anu da na kin ya mo na kin ya wo wi Monica. Oko. Wa na wa mi e wa sile na ya kin ya e sile ma do gwa no gbe si.
Wa gbe le ma ni ma e di yen. Ona wa agbe no ri ko na agbe no ke ko.
Wa be ti na e ma do gwa no si lo kin.
E vera me pe audio. Ya ke ni Monica ya pe ke we la ya agbe won o la gogo do e pi be o.
E ja. E ri aka e Esther talk show tani on we e ge ni rita na disconnected faculty we. Uma bu yen re nu do ka me yen we ni yen bu we re rita disconnected we faculty. Ina adie na we so rita na disconnected faculty ye.
U bege ona we la gogo my lady vera la ti me we gbe la o ti ve.
Do e pi me.
Ona we na ni di obo we.
Do ujo bo me.
La gogo.
Hi.
Monica go.
Me wa labia. We se je Esther talk show. We se me wa labia me ne rita I wa ti o ma we la gogo do ujo bo me. Me ne vera log me se Facebook we no talo si here ti ka ogbe mo ma gbe me because if I we yi. Wona wi when o gbiju wa ya hiyo e ba ko wa ma na gbiju wa ya hiyo ne me azu wa bo e ba na e di problem ro gwe mi ma wa oni ogbu koko we no ma gi wa understand ngwa ma na e wo e ma ya no ye Facebook do tari yin tin yo bosa e oni o pa e di something wa gbiju wa ya hiyo wa ma na gbiju wa ya finish e di o mata e close e ma wa gbadu ki bi ka wa gbiju wa na e wa ri e ma wa time na tun mo ya da mezu wa bo e kesi ma wa close e forgiveness me ire. Eria wa ya me forgiveness me. Me over na ya me o. Isha. Imagine we there was you are not because of one person to fight me on social media. If I detect the person you are fighting me because of that person, I just make sure I arrange a fight for two of you. I open a ring me for una. Me una go fight wa gbele gbuwa. If una don't fight finish, then I go dey look una. I go forgive una. Can you imagine? Just come carry matter.
They swear he go they insult me because of you, Vera. Imagine who wa get padamunya.
Lies.
Huh? O to we padogo na munya ni. O ma be get who we padamunya ni. I dey not for avere ni o well. You know as I do for a rich. Nobody they call you for their fight.
You go see whether your friend go call and tell and say, come take food, come take this one. Come, whether your friend will go and be buying loyalty and buying all those things. You are the person who normally do all those things. Because when my year school, now only you they do all those things. You don't get sense. You don't know what it means to play politics. Social media is politics. Eh? And you have to learn your lesson from this one because the one where they come again is very big. I'm telling you, if I talk and it be like saying a dream at the talk waiting on the work. I'm here to analyze it when it will start. Never get that good water let me not go.
Please, for people fed, we will not call you. For me to choose you, I will choose my old friend.
Don't get as your sister want to talk rich. Or even though you go talk from now to tomorrow, I'm not going to reply. I'm waiting for the D-Day. Sit down, analyze.
When my ye, where they ma, when they no biayawu.
Better go
Jesus.
He lets you use when the
then
time.
I don't do now.
Really, don't do. Never do.
They don't do.
They never even start.
That's
1 week.
Your business.
Don't even say that. 1 week, you say don't do. Do for waiting. The people where you carry Vera come meet, how long did they do it? Did they complain? Did they cry? So where is your dunga you? You cannot chest Vera insult for 1 day. And chested it for 1 year and 6 months. When I go look Vera page, Kokobri mama, Kokobri mama, Kokobri mama, Kokobri mama, Kokobri mama, Kokobri mama, lolo, Eddie Murphy, lolo, Eddie Murphy, Kokobri mama, Kokobri mama, Kokobri mama. You go on Facebook. You were sponsoring her with rice and beans. You never even they disconnect your faculty. You are calling her sister to come and help you to come and beg Vera. For what? If you don't want to beg Vera to stop, do it the right way. Maybe this one will surprise you. It will surprise you. If you do it the right way, Vera will leave you alone. If you don't do it the right way, Vera and Frank, they will leave you. But do it the right way. There are people you are supposed to talk to tell them to leave you. If you don't talk to them, they will never leave you alone.
Next week, I dey come open your betu your Elijah family. Yeah, come open now for social media. When you come with the first one,
they may not get what you want open. That's why it's just a way of eating money from your gullible followers, so that they will come and pay. Finish. Oh, I don't want to spoil your business. They can go and take the money and eat. What is it that you want to show? Vera children, we already know they are in Nigeria. They are not in Europe. Eh? We already know that their mother is not yet 100% stable in Europe. So what is it you want to bring? Vera will go with Saga and I open your nyash. I open to try with that. But Vera I open your nyash. Like grow up, man. Vera no in those days. Now you want to see they do say I will open your nyash. I will do this one. You want Vera? Mamma mia, I was ashamed. Shame come they worry me and say, Jesus. Can you imagine? Vera that I chested for a year and 6 months, I don't even do pain. After almost 1 year, now they come out, come tell and say, you will regret what you are doing, because if you don't beat your mother, I will not leave you alone. The same Vera just beat you for 1 day. And you are there in the street crying and saying, I open your nyash. Which nyash you want to open? You are just saying all these things so that your people will come and pay into the pay show. Let them collect the money. That's business. Social media is business. When you cry, people collect money. When you want to talk, go and play whatever for them and they listen to. It's not going to be different for what we know. Vera children, we don't already know them. Even the new updates when you say you won't play, you also deal with me. They carry and can't give me. They inside my Facebook. They inside my face. They inside my phone. Vera children updates. They inside my phone for your information. I don't want to come to Facebook and be playing them and say, come and see Vera children. It looks childish. Anytime where I talk to Vera, people call me everywhere and say, waiting, you and Vera. If Vera that very way, but was here anywhere you work catch a cruise. My cruise away for 1 day, you are crying already in the streets. What nonsense.
You become the true speaker. Ordinary €100 can do a lot for your 5 arm robber. You train when you go for them. Because any boys' children, when you see you train them, arm robber anything. Don't be say, I they mock you, it's true.
The time when me talk and say, nah, so it be, didn't you deny it to say it's not like that? Why are you saying it now? Those children who are in Nigeria, let me tell you the truth. They are better than your own that is facing miserable stories on social media right now. Take it or leave it. If they're Nigerian, they don't have the story of no where we're facing now. A big story now. There's no way you will say you are better than Vera. That is just what I came to cure. Mama saw it.
Boys' children, we don't see proper training. They are arm robber in arm robber in all call me arm robber. Oh,
now this one be the gesture where you give Dora a bit Vera what it be ne. Even me tag Vera na many ways. I monta na way arm robber get Vera be. E Vera o ma be arm robber. The saga ga was here na time. Mwa. O ma be arm robber relax. Oh, whether you borrow a statement in me finish in a way saga me. If I whether you borrow a blah blah blah. A statement in the finish in the saga ni yak Vera. Ni ya reply e regbe ha na e am broba bia le pe ko we ya borrow dan this one be the gesture. E ya no wa say the gesture be we to ya re we ke wura no sire. Me we to ya re we ke na na mi ere nu do ta. Na say Jerry, na this one be the gesture where your people say give a gesture that they wa say ah. Ma famiglia di Monte Carlo. That's what the gesture is. Me I say you want to carry what kind of gesture bulldozer one way like Facebook e ya hian sian me kwa dodo. E dia say very way gesture we ya gbe vera da he. Rubbish. Even me tafu ne. Me ka tenina na battery we say go abi vera. Me finish any na since na we ambroba se vera biele. Which is only why ya gbe. Oh we ya borrow we keminita. He was there watching me. Why follow over here? Don't worry, when you be ambroba na see la dama be do atave de na obiara. This is the gesture. E io say ah. Me te work better la what about do vero? There the gesture say if you dey any other place more tell me you become me 1 year. I want to hear the gesture when this one take beat Vera. You want to talk say that I don't pay to salary oh it the one on. The time when you talk say you want beat it at that time, I was expecting you to come and say one thing. Let me explain my family life and history to you and see how I'm better than you. On injection we have Vera. E Vera, I go walk here, you have an upper hand, you wear your honey and say on injection, even na me metaphor ne since we do ata you na be la broba be ko na today. We don't finish all those ones. Those ones are ended. Even not tag better anything, you're supposed to say new thing. something that is not already in existence. And you know, everybody will say, Mamma mia. Oh, wow. Saga queen. Saga mama. Ah, hello. Even the Rita finishing the metame since where Vela be about robber we could not back. One robber no be a young back of we could not vignari. You went to borrow that one, you come and say it, and you say you are doing saga with Vera. My dear, grow up. A saga where injection. I'm a winner, you know. Injection work better in those days. Where injection. The time you was giving injection to people, I remember him with Facebook. Not this time around. When people know what is happening, what misbehave, are you mad?
Yeah, rane Okada Joshua. Okada we ya muye kankan na we Jenny we na ga wepo.
Okada Joshua no we video mo be see adie man and water. Man je go and look for a better injection that will hurt Vera. In injection. E mo bien e di o mero pa ro no hegbe o ma ya gwa le din rere. E mo no bien e di o mero pa ma hegbe. Ave mi e ya wa hegbe. I'm debunking the lies. So I'm Vera they all look alike. The difference is clear. Vera is a big lie. If Vera why Vera Biana? But how about your own? How about your own? Where's a pure who wears this? Oh, but let me look baby social media. Oh, we will be Vera Mahigbe. After you say that, we be Vera Mahigbe with me. You Vera Mahigbe. You Vera Mahigbe, don't go there. You Vera Mahigbe.
Where Jebo resemble papa for nose, he resemble mama for forehead. Your children not resemble you for man.
Let me leave you for next time.
Not resemble a dioma. Not by color, not by anything. Only God know how many people help you produce those battalion. Yeah, when you did now you can.
A bad story like book work on me on Facebook. I mean, you are the sole proprietor of this kind of story. Eh, Vera, the truth must be said. What one is so proprietor of Guyana? Your picking not resemble you. Your picking not this one. And I guys, all these things are. Oh my God, I don't like it when people begin to repeat one thing 10 times. If you know better than water every time. Where are your new injections? Have injection when not Tommy in the area? Where are your new injections? All those injections where they say you will give person no get up or do this. See how would I? Where don't you any menita? Look at baby ya home here. Look yes, I give ya near me there. Injection.
Show the 3 children when you say you get more see their eyes, it resemble Piton or it resemble Kate or it resemble your Oga yes. Don't they see any achievement for your body? Everything what I tell laugh me since last year. Think about it today. I be Oga Odogun Akataka inside.
Lie. We use your belly laugh you, not change. Big lie. We use your belly laugh you, and it's getting bigger and enlarging and bigger every day. Like we marry you to one day. Till now, even when I check the degree of your belly this afternoon, you use black cloth take cover. Because fat people for Europe now black cloth they take the cover body so that people don't see how their fatness be. Now black cloth to take cover your belly now. Even when you was talking to Vera, look at your tummy. You was covering it with black cloth. You couldn't open it down. So there's no upgrade. Lie. Upgrade 0. People laugh you last year, say you don't get driving license. Today you cannot even turn and wheel it, a driving steering. You never wheel on. Me, you can't tell people say, oh no, they use driving license, laugh me, I'm not wheeling it, driving. Oh, ciao, I'm driving around. It's not there. So people tell you, say, do the right thing. They use picking you, they laugh you. Then you are not doing the right thing. It's becoming 2 years on your neck on Facebook, and you're not even doing anything about it. I don't know whether you understand. You are living in your own world. That's why I say illiterates, I don't mingle with them because they never learn and they never listen. I don't like illiterates at all. I like illiterates. I'm sorry if I'm offending some people this night. Somebody like Ijore in your mind is called natural wisdom. Where's your own? You don't have natural wisdom. It's getting big. I am more laughing where you are not doing the right thing till today. It's remaining the same. Are you done laughing where your husband cannot get up and upgrade and say now we go do Mundia? Ekokobiri where ya give me, because you even said it here, Ekokobiri where ya give me or Ladiani, you're baki. Odo. Husband. Like husband. Husband. You will know that this man is a husband. Your own. There is no changes in your own. They know you upgrade, so don't lie and say you upgraded. To which area? The only difference I saw in you is that umaki baki. Then it's fine. It's your business. I don't have a problem with that. But don't say you upgrade. You never upgraded. You was not buying with him. What the with him buy with him? Finish. So where is the upgrade? Where is the upgrade in you?
Now. Everything where they tell laugh you. Oh, you egbe.
Na lie.
Iwe.
Egire vera gbe. Eni bunaya gi vera na giro igbe. Some ebe na eto ne mana vera te amu eji before what that den with him. Imana mo eji now na ya gye mo be ya gye na we na imi with him. Imana see ese mana do ase. Mata mai. You never told her the truth one day. Say vera usie to sok mi hue amu to ye the right place. Modota me vera we vera ekenu mwetoji ma amu to ye the right place. Ona do amu ye the right place. Weta mai no. Who ga pepo you way. And these are the people who fight wars for you. Then imagine, I don't even see you. You know who I am for you. I'm a rival. And you know it. So you cannot say you motivate somebody like me because you irritate me. You cannot motivate me. They manipulate loyalty and ledge to you. These are the people you are supposed to be proud of. But you are not still proud of them. Or see any other lesser where the way you are proud of me right now, if you are proud of them like that, they will always be with you. You see why I always say, even if you come out to say, I love you, Rita, I will come out and tell you to say, to hell with you.
Proper when you working a pocket picker to Kada Joshua. If not to stop it, we marry.
And the pocket picker, these are my words. Mota, who give injection, my dear? Look for injection and add to injection. Mota, I know where a very way pocket picker. Why are you using my words? These are what I told Vera, and I was lying. If I told him Vera, because he got only bed saga. Truth, mami be a Kenyan pick saga here. Mami me a Kenyan pick ku here. It what I mean I can wait because Vera was saying nothing. You was using her to do rubbish. You know, you was using her to do rubbish. You see, my dear lovely Vera. You see, my dear lovely Vera. So you also want to borrow my words, and you don't give accolades to me. This is one thing I dislike about you. You borrow my words every time. You never say you copy me. You always come out to say, she copied me, she copied me. I said Vera children are pocket picker. And you came out to borrow my words and say they are pocket pickers. These are not your words. You want me to play my video? So that I will use it to remind you to say, why are you borrowing me and copying from me?
Go see Flat Nyash.
Moi.
It don't let makeup. Wow. One time I use makeup, say, my dear, before you talk to me, go and do your concealer work. You know they do my way, not like them.
How far?
Oh, who a makeup now that they laugh you until today.
This is why you don't grow. There's no growth in you. You admitted my growth this evening. Glory be to you. Thank you so much. A growth in me will admit where you tell her say you know sabi do makeup. Today she's refined. Women who way you visual. If you not doing. Women who don't have you. What first person no ka serious la dia. What we see la dia. What a condition where the Facebook na. Until today or twen we makeup on a vie lash ya o ham we me. E or twen we ga hang a eyelash. Somebody who wash you on a daily basis and fight for you morning and night. Eyelash or ye karakwa wa de go out. Oh tami ya why worry? Why worry adology? E me dere mana e gwa adology why worry? You are a glorious thiefer. A glorious thief say okay. Or man do a glory on my very okay. But thank God, somebody like me, you can't thief my glory. Go and look at your sister. A direct product of you. A complete product. A good example of you. Look at a replicate of you. There is no difference between the both of you. When on two when you was any, if you live in one ya here, e la ti se go harakwa. O ga we video me so me na by mistake say keep careful about what is nonsense. Mad people everywhere. She will be saying I not sabi do makeup. Who got 200 degbe or 2 women so you are supposed to accolade me and respect me and not talk down at me or disrespect me. I don't like people who disrespect me. I hate it. When you disrespect me, you bring out the devil in me. When you have a flat nyash, then they make up a egg who pack a can ya give. When anybody may cope you way, today you can't upgrade. If you're homala you ekore, I've been using Tommy to laugh you for how many years? Ya dull koji. I can't be like that, God forbid. Pure. That's nonsense. If we're not necessary is not going to adolescent. Okay, or send or your dolly who you are. Echo where you see a here been then you are saying me copy you where? How am I copying you? Who is copying who? Instead of you to learn, I may change this with where you upgrade. Where is the upgrading? Evidence of you upgrade the web. Everywhere. You know one thing, I don't like people who pretend. Maybe Vera pretend to you, other people were pretending to come to you. Vera confessed in a video to say, when I tell me, when I see women, I've always said it when I come to Facebook. You crossed line into my family long time. You insulted my uncle. That from that day, I never loved you and I never like you. And I never even been ways to say it one day. It might been no mego bokpa one day. So don't be somebody like me. I can absolutely not like you. Even when you come out to say, Rita, please love me, I will still tell you to say, okay, I don't have a problem with you anymore, but to hell with you. Well, love one eye. What's a no 2090 copy way?
Because you need to go train, go work hard. Every 2 minutes. Yeah, that sweater when you they wear, pull over here, the only presenter that always wear sweater when they pull for here. What did they worry you?
And you lie, another lie. When the only presenter where they always wear sweater. But you also come at one time to say your friend they wear sweater for yourself, no they own heater. Why are you lying? You say your friend they wear sweater, no they own heater. Everybody now they wear sweater for where you dey. Everybody admire for why you sweater. And you are the poorest presenter on social media. You always propaganda fake stuff that you don't have. You mean propaganda. Other people are not like you because someone enemy all that to say at the end of the day. If I don't have something, I try to propaganda so that people will see me and think something is there. If you not to then you're not to have a good image, but the only normal grow, normal hikwa. I have a platform or cannot bala, or even a giving at it. If you from here come on to go entire only what your platform or 20 here a day. Before you know it, just a platform will calculate also 300. If one your hang up with me, one in your house.
Social media not they pay you enter us now. Social media this day you do it with swag. Because he bring cash. If you always not bringing cash, stop it.
My own is bringing a lot of cash now. And I also said, again, I'll be here to analyze it. It was a promise I made to my followers, and I will complete it. I said it. We analyze it. You analyze one is Wabo. Then next. The next person already went that day, and what will you went that they always want buene, you do analyze it. Finish. I don't have time for you or to think to where somebody like me you can buy me my love. My love is not bought. My love is earned with total loyalty. If you want to earn my respect, you be loyal. You respect yourself first. You are not telling any words away. The kind of person I am and the kind of home I grew up from, who my mother is. Comfortable woman, 100%. I came out from a home. Nemana comfort. Nemana eminiya gualo. People who are learning, who know what they want. Ask her, let her tell you who I am. Ask her. She told you to say, Rita, you don't buy me anyhow like that. Don't you ever. When you go be where we saga no one more die. Face Vera. Or bano web down ye me ya you a very one me flat nyash. Or we must say when ya, or one on say when ya. Every accolade me, more da Vera Zemo Bobekun. I don't like you. Every time I continue to say it in my video, I don't know how you want to hear it. I don't like you.
Just they cry, Monica. Where you where ooh. Ilaja woman will not get power. Ilaja woman will not see Oyibo will give her money. Ilaja woman will not take care of 5 children will live for Africa. Ilaja woman will not get paper. You get documents. Fake life.
You are not saying whether Vera get document now fake life. Lies. You see why I say you are Vera and the same thing. Eh? Even I give away document to get fake life, you give away. You give Dora, a Vera, be a Dora man at you. You get me document to get fake life, you go live. Don't you ever do that. Vera is better than you. So my people, if I cannot finish this video today, I will finish it tomorrow. Well, we just we very Vera na just na mama, just na hena. It's Navajo.
Go see to and go drama party that day. Where
it's just tell your evangelele le kona ave gbe 20 rosta ni avo me ave madogwa no sido yan igbesu. Wasi le madogwa le Facebook ni an. Ijo me. Pack them out. Tell them to come and be saying, "Ogun ogbera gbijue." Those ones. I be saying you call they say they give injection. Which kind of injection you won't give this time around? Do you own injection? You don't have any injection where they give anybody. Eh? Tell them they come they say Ogun ogbera gbijue. Tell the one where they Australia make come they cry. Oh wow, so ne Frankie ke bu wakadere ade wa mai so. Which injection? Me I not see any injection for here because most of the words are borrowed. They are mine. They are mine. Mota give Vera re ukada Joshua yan gbahe me yari Nigeria yan mo isi dame. And I never even knew you were watching me that day. Eh? You was always supporting to say, Vera, don't do this, don't do that. You are not borrowing my words from my saga to come and be using on Vera to say, Vera, this and that. Vera, clap for yourself, my dear. Clap for yourself because you tried it on me, it didn't work. You bullied me for 1 year and 6 months. Although I never came to you, where you are sorry, you apologize for it. That one we'll discuss it later after we have finished all these things on ground. Me I'm not jumping. I don't know how I accept your apology. I'm not an hypocrite. That's one thing that I am not. I'm not an hypocrite. Whether I like you, I tell you I like you. When I don't like you, you don't buy my loyalty for anything. My likeness comes with some. It just comes natural. Yeah, but like you were natural, it's finished, and it's going to be like that. In my like you, where there's nothing you will do about it. This is who I am, and I don't lie about it. The earlier you know who I am, the better for you. I don't pretend on Facebook. You know, tell the apology, no, and now jump out in it. Even the people you know you don't like, you jump out and be saying, "Don't worry, I forgive you. Don't worry, I forgive you." Have you seen anybody who does that? You are the only person who does that because you are the only person who does those kind of things. To say, "I'm not going to mama." Forgiving you, you jump out and start saying, "Oh, I forgive you. Don't worry, I forgive you." Never yata na in forgiving is more than 6 days. No ya kamijore no forgiving is more than 6 days. No ya kamilolo no forgiving is more than 6 days. This is how you see poaching. This is what they call poach. Have you seen anybody come out to sit down and start saying, "Come and forgive me"? Okay, don't worry. You see, they will be explaining and happy over the forgiveness. You are the only person who take forgiveness like a cup of tea. You'll be happy. All those things don't move me. When you torture my life too much, when you bully me too much, when you do what you are not supposed to do, there's a limit to everything. I call it a quit and I call it a day. Oh, I'm like me of social media. This is who I am. But still, it didn't stop my work on social media. Did it stop it? It didn't. Now, when I come, they pretend give you. The people who don't pretend are your best friend in life. Not people who pretend they want to kill you. I have been saying it. I don't like you. So, definitely, I will not hurt you. I will not do you any bad thing. I will not do you evil. But you will just know that you have to maintain your distance.
Unu kwaje no mana ete biege salebe no. No ma bia mama severa. Ama no ma bia ma severa. Ave mona na deliver I no be do akpe audio na half bag. You buy for my children. As you come go carry half bag. Why you not come tell mommy na
again vera mana egbuwe. Have you ever told anybody to say where did you say it? Which one love we love no? Did you ever say you're paying for the loyalty? No. You said it's free. She just loves you. She's a lover. This is exactly what you are doing right now. Lying to people who are everywhere. They are lovers. People like us who don't pay and buy loyalty. You see us as people who don't have lovers. We are the people who have real lovers on social media. We don't pay for lovers. We don't buy their loyalty. We don't pay for them. We don't send them message. You feel like, all right. If you don't do, all right. It's like that. You don't pay for, I will not pay for anybody to come and bully you. You are the people who pay for bullying around. You use your hard-earned money. That is why the money you see on social media, you are also spending it on social media. You cannot do any good thing about your money. There's nothing you do about it. The only thing you can acquire is audio house, audio motor, audio everything. That's the only thing you can acquire. Real. For people to be seeing you sitting on the steering and driving up. Do you know what it takes to acquire a driving license? Driving license is very expensive. You need real money to acquire it. Me and I know they call this number. Hello. Tell me, mommy, get real life. When it's your number now.
Full bag you promise me. But yeah, where I bag you know. You and your ungrateful brother being a sister. It's a bit of a small one. They beg for person. Where they no one who were wa. Who were wa when they get and then that's in the region. You have a vibate with Vera don't view because I'm going to be better than Banjoe.
I'm married Germany or Vibata no or Honway UKG. My fans with the UK then buy me with one that day. They just dash me for free. In real life. Hello. Eh? Eh? La wo go me finish me now ya ti we me. You see?
It is this. Everywhere poro. I may go be 8 children. One lap. Nyash come from where Nyash support they go they like you see they laugh flat Nyash. Flat Nyash better pass person will get in Nyash for lap. Wow, you may who get it. Oh where I open a holy baby. That's it where they do you for here. Where they do like the way me pata. You know nothing.
My believe people say Allah who bo said do. You say flat nya so you know say flat nya good. I swear so to Allah. Why is it that you normally spoil what you like? What you not like now not spoil. What they you like who you know where you just admitted here to say flat nyash. You better pass the Vera on. So when Bonnie, when I misbehave, we fake account to outside account and doing everything. It was misbehaving. I was watching you. Because a flat nyash even no baloyan fee. Carbona. Even no baloyan fee. Now today you call us say better pass Vera. La, you don't better pass.
Hey, I want
friendship.
They do. They can't press me for neck. They never press you. Monica, people put on and press.
You say if you can't talk this one, I can't say person they talk. I can't they give you accolades. Say talk. You, the mother of all confusion in this life. You are the mother of all confusion. You are confused.
I go soon tell my mommy Beckman no come where you go to no. Cause Moeta me and ceasefire ever since. We are if
you not get fire. The fire no matter how we Facebook. Where is it? Vera, don't be afraid. There's nothing that they have not done to other people that they will do to you that will be new thing. They will get tired of bullying. Don't be afraid of them. Now they say me they don't cease fire on you. Don't be afraid. The time you was bullying me, did you see that I bully you? I opened 20 fake accounts because of you. Bring your children out and do all those things. I never do it. I didn't do it. These are the humans on Facebook. I know that one day you get back to your chances and you will use anti-shine. Those things are what I know. But you cannot take what you give to people. Look at how you are threatening her now to say, "I'll make the ceasefire." Your bully is not doing anything on anyone. That's what you are supposed to know. Your wedding may bully. Women injection. They know here who banewa, who way you talk. Hey, on your way now. Where they house here. When you just copied and you cut a part of somebody you won't go put for there. Not be your own that all. All those things, not they free.